Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to fix jar files not opening with Java. First things first, ensure you have Java installed. So if you don't have, go download it. Once you already have it, all you need to do is to locate the jar file you want to run. Right click on it, hover over Open With, and select Java TM Platform SE Binary. If it's not there, choose another app, find Java, and select Always Run. If the issue persists, search for JarFix and download it from the official website. Run the downloaded file and follow the prompts to register. To register the .jar suffix, after restarting your PC, try opening the jar file again. It should now open with Java TM Platform Binary, resolving the issue. With this, you can now open your jar files. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.